Hello, welcome to our video editing masterclass. We'll be making use of the KineMaster app. The KineMaster app delivers an amazing ability to create professional videos without the use of a laptop or a desktop computer. To start up a new project, simply tap on the new project button. You'll be presented next with aspect ratio. So here you have to choose the aspect ratio for your project. 16:9 is the most standard form of video accepted on most platforms. It's horizontal, so you can use it for your Facebook and it will come out well. The next aspect ratio is 9:16. It is suitable for vertical videos, so it is mostly used on IGTV, Pinterest, or even your Facebook stories. And the next ratio is 1:1. It's square and it is mostly used on Instagram. So depending on what you want to, or the platform you want to post your video, bear in mind the aspect ratio you want to use. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be making use of 16:9. So this is the next screen that will appear. And there's something I forgot to mention. Please note that once you've selected your aspect ratio, it's not possible for you to change the aspect ratio in the project again. So this is the basic interface. It consists of the action bar on the left, the timeline on the bottom, the media panel on the right, and the project preview, which is the center. Now, to make things easier for us, I'll quickly want to add some videos. I quickly want to add some photos and an audio. So to create a new project, simply tap on media. When you tap on media, you'll be shown shortcuts to your gallery. Select the photos you want to make use of, or videos if that's what you want to start with. Let's see. So now that we've selected the photos, tap on the back button to go back to the original interface. Now let's add an audio. To add an audio file, tap on the audio and depending on where your audio file is selected, if it's the one that's already saved in your phone, click on folders. If it's the one that has been saved in the KineMaster app that's provided by KineMaster, tap on music assets and you see them. Already I've downloaded all this from the KineMaster app. If you want to download yours, simply tap on the shop icon at the top right corner there. You would require the internet network to download it. So quickly here, select so to import an audio to your project, tap on the plus sign there, and that's it. It has been imported. So let's go back to our descriptions. The action bar contains action buttons that are used to perform routine actions associated with the video editing, and they are located at the left hand of the screen. Between every timeline, or between every photo you imported, you notice a white box there. That's a transition. So transition occurs between every item in the primary timeline. The secondary timeline contains layers and audio clips which displays over the primary timeline. Now let's add some layers. To add layer, simply tap on the layer button. You're presented with 5 different options. Media, there you can add your photos or video. There's effects, there's overlay, text, and handwriting. Let's add media. We tap on the media. Select the overlay. Take note, you can add, or you can make use of a video or an audio or a photo as your overlay. Let me add one more overlay. I want to add a video this time around. That's it. You can resize the video or even rotate the video. Now let's play our work.
The metrics that we have are not our own success in.
So let's go back to see the whole layers now. These are the existing layers. So by default, layers lower on the timeline will display over other layers. But notwithstanding, it's still possible for you to choose the way you want your layers to be displayed. If you want your layers to be displayed above another video or photo, it's possible to set it that way. You can do that by using the bring to front or send to back action button. Now this is the button. To activate the button, simply tap on the layer you want to bring to front. Before then, let's add one more clip so that you see how it works. So assuming I want to bring that video we added earlier to the front, this is what I will do. I'll simply tap on the video to activate it. Then I'll use the bring to front or send to back action button. You see it on the left here. Here's the options. You have duplicates, you have bring to front, bring to back, send to back, send to back. Sorry, send backward, send to back. So if I want to bring it to the front, I simply tap on bring to front. So it's now appearing in front of the one we created earlier.
As in our company's profits and revenues.
So to activate any action button, just tap on the item. When you tap on the item, you'll be able to adjust the property of that item. So we earlier talked about the media panel. The media panel gives you the tools needed to add and edit project content. So when an item in the timeline is selected, the option panel with options relevant to that particular item is displayed. Now still on this media panel, you see that cycle there. They call it the media wheel. It has 5 features. And the first 4 features are surrounding the cycle, or in the inner cycle. You have the layer, the media, the audio, and the voice over. The layer selector allows you to add various layers. We've described we've shown that earlier. That was how we used them in adding this video and this other photo layer. So at this point, I would like us to create a complete video. Now I'm going to pause this recording and insert all the items we'll be needing, and then we'll come back to the editing proper. Yeah, we'll be creating a video for an advertising video for a online shoe store. First step, select your background, the primary layer, using the media button. Here you select all the photos you'll be needing. All right. Choose the title. Okay. Now the transition. Let's change the transition. So all these options, I've downloaded them already. To get more transitions, scroll down to the down and select Get More. It will take you to more the store where you could download more transitions. This looks nice. All right. Select enter transition for this. So we've added our transitions. Now next, let's add some effect on the photo itself. So you tap on the photo, you see an option, clip graphics. So when you tap on clip graphics, you see some effects. Okay, let's select this. Then let's go to another video. This looks okay. You can also increase or reduce the display length, the timing of your elements. Simply tap on the one you want to reduce or increase its length, the duration. Once you tap on it, you see the duration bar. Here's 2 seconds. Let's increase it to 3 seconds. When you're creating videos with your or from photos, it's best to allow sufficient time for your audience to be able to view them. Typically 2.5 seconds to 3 seconds is okay, but try to make sure your video doesn't exceed 30 seconds to 1 minute. So that's it. Now let's add sound. Tap on audio, music assets. Or in your case, you use the downloaded folders if you want to import a sound or music that you already added. You tap on folders. But if you want to import from KineMaster assets, tap on music assets. So to import this, tap on the plus sign. Let's add a layer. See, it's offer 50% discount. Layer, select text. 50. Percent off. Adjust it. Okay. You can change the properties of the layer you just added, the text you just added. To change the color, you tap on the color option. This is red. Then tap on this. You can make it radiate by activating the glow. Turn off shadow. You can even change the background color of the text. Say you want to use blue. Increase the opacity. Then turn it on. To shout it, let's reduce it or change the color. Let's reduce the opacity. I think this is okay. So if you want it to appear all through your video, you extend it. You can also add some animations to the text. Still on the options, you activate the element. Here's the in animation, how it appears as it goes in or it appears on the screen. Fade, pop. Let's use this pop. You can also adjust the timing, the time it takes for it to appear. 2.5 seconds. Change the background to white. Increase the opacity. turn off. To change the text, the font, you use this. Okay. Let's add some special effects, some overlay. Tap on overlay. I've already downloaded my overlays already. Okay. Can increase the overlay. Increase the duration. Okay, let's play. So if you want to delete any element in your project, simply tap on the element and use the delete button. You can always undo, just in case you made a mistake. You deleted an error. Tap on the undo button and it comes back. Now to add a call to action, I prefer using plain backgrounds. Okay. Add effects. Let's see. You could choose whatever effect you want to use. Usually you can also type in the call to action button, contacts, so number, whatever. But I usually prefer to create my text instead of using this box in most cases. So to take this out of the way, just simply type a period, because you can't leave the period empty. Okay. Create an effect here too. Okay. So next, since I want my audience to spend more time on it, since it's going to be a text, I'll increase the duration. Take note, photos with text should have longer duration so that your audience will be able to read them. Add your layer to place an order. Now let's use order now. Ready for action. Overall animation, blink slowly. You can choose to duplicate this. To duplicate, use the duplicate. Now you have an identical copy. Edit this, tap on the keyboard. Change the color. change your animation. I prefer to use none. In animation, use let's duplicate another one. Take note, once you duplicate, it automatically copies the properties of the previous text to the new one. So whatever you're duplicating, copies it. So let's play our project. I don't want them to appear same time. I can adjust the length. To see your project properly, you can tap on this button. So adjust the length. So with this now, the order now will appear first, followed by call or WhatsApp. Now I want the phone number to appear last, so I'll have to adjust it. So that's it. Okay, tap on this button again. Okay. So that's it. Now we've created our work. Depending on your type of project, you can add up suitable effects, overlays, text to spice it up. So let's assume we've completed our project. It's now time to export. You tap on the export button. This is your project. Tap on the share button, and here's export. Note that the final size of the output is just beside the export button. Now this project is 31 megabytes and the output resolution is on FHD 1080 pixel. Usually the higher the pixel, the larger the size. So if you want your video to have a smaller size, you can adjust the resolution. The higher the resolution, the higher the size. Adjust the resolution, but take note that when you adjust or when you reduce the resolution, it automatically reduces the quality. Now another way you can reduce the size of your video is by adjusting the bitrate. If you increase the bitrate, it's automatically increase the overall output size. So adjust it to suit what you want. Now if you've adjusted it to the lowest possible size and you export, if the quality is okay, fine, go with it. If the quality is not okay, you have to come back and edit it. Take note, it's best to have an above average size Take for instance a video of length which is let's say 1 minute, and try to make the size at least 20 MB, 20 megabytes, because when you export or upload the video on a media, say social media also reduces the quality. So it's best to upload a high quality video, so that even if the quality is reduced during upload, you still retain a good quality video. So tap on export, it's exporting. So when you go to your gallery, you see your exported video. Even after export, you can still edit your video. Tap on the edit button, and here you'll be able to add whatever elements. The more you practice using this app, the more you become efficient with it, and the more you practice, you'll be creative at creating videos. So keep on practice, and you find out that you'll be creating more and more amazing videos. Now, one more thing, if you want to create a different variation, you don't have to start all over again. You can simply duplicate your work. So you tap on the duplicate button. You want to duplicate this project? Yes. So you have a duplicate copy. You can work on this your copy while retaining the original one you created.